this trail would actually be something like a mountaineering experience if Michigan actually had the amount of snow it used to get. Because this close to Lake Michigan, you get tons of lake effect snow, which means every time they get a storm, it's like being in the mountains essentially, like 6 inches to a foot to, but climate change, so yeah, sadly enough, we'll see less and less snow in the next 100 years, in addition to losing all the glaciers, which really sucks. Do what you can. Recycle, reuse, rethink. We owe it to this planet. It's been our home for so many billions of years. Just because we've evolved to the current level of intelligence doesn't mean we're the masters of this place. And in fact, that arrogance is the thing that's most likely to lead to our extinction. Which is a major bummer, because we have so much potential. But if we can't take care of the planet we're from, how are we gonna even get to another one? This has been Deep Thoughts Hiking with Nick. No, but really, do what you can. Vote for sure. And just try and be good at this place. It raised us. And even if we do make it out into the stars, it'll always be our first home. Well, that we know of, but that's an entirely different deep talk. And for those of you who don't know too much about me, I am a pretty hard science person. I'm not saying it's not possible, but yeah, that's a discussion for another time. Yeah, if this takes off, I may do a like a hiking podcast series. That'd be cool. Then I could have like guests come on hikes with me. Ooh, we could do that with climbing too, for sure. And like, you like trip and die. No, not really, but like, no, like a climbing podcast where you have like a guest and you have like a discussion in between pitches. I'm yeah, I like to do that actually. We'll see if we can get that to take off. I'd love to do it. I have big plans for the future of this nature photography and videography page in the long run. Always open to ideas too. been Empire Bluffs. Really cool trail to check out if you are ever in Sleeping Bear Dunes, which is near Empire, Michigan, in the United States. And really the views on this trail are never really gone for too long. So it's a really high payoff trail too. Now that we're off of saving the planet. Hi.
Guys are running away, so like, woohoo!
Excuse me. I mean, I feel like if I do a hiking podcast, there's still going to be long stretches of quiet while I kind of drift into my own thoughts. Not necessarily a bad thing, because then everybody just gets to enjoy the tranquility of nature. All right. There's like one more viewpoint on the way back to the trailhead, but this is pretty much the end of the scenic part. But again, payoff for effort is insane. Dune climb up next.